Sceptre monitors work as standard display devices, which means screenshot capabilities depend entirely on the device you have connected, whether that's a PC, Mac, or gaming console. For Windows users, the simplest method is pressing the print screen key to capture your entire screen display. To capture just the active window instead of the entire screen, hold Alt while pressing print screen. For precise control, use Windows plus Shift plus S to open the snipping tool, which lets you select exactly what area of the screen to capture. Mac users can capture the full screen by pressing Command plus Shift plus 3. To select a specific area of your screen, use Command plus Shift plus 4, which changes your cursor to a crosshair for precise selection. For the most control, Command plus Shift plus 5 opens the screenshot utility with additional options like timers and save location setting. Remember, your Sceptre monitor doesn't affect the screenshot process. It simply displays whatever content your device captures using these standard methods. To get the best screenshot quality from your Sceptre monitor, start with proper display settings. Always ensure your monitor is set to its native resolution for optimal image clarity. For file format selection, choose PNG over JPEG for text-heavy screenshots. PNG preserves sharp text edges and avoids compression artifacts that can make text appear blurry. If you encounter black screenshots, the most common solution is updating your graphics drivers. This issue often occurs when display drivers are outdated or incompatible with screenshot software. Current screenshot technology trends include AI-enhanced capture that automatically detects and crops important content, plus seamless cloud integration for instant sharing and storage. For tool selection, basic users should stick with built-in operating system screenshot tools like Windows Snipping Tool or Mac's Screenshot Utility. Power users who need advanced features should consider third-party applications like ShareX or GreenShot. ShareX offers advanced features like automated workflows, custom hotkeys, and multiple export options, making it ideal for users who take screenshots frequently or need professional-grade capture capabilities.